In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bot to Discord using bot token. Before we dive in, there's an important clarification. You cannot add a bot to a Discord server using only a bot token. The token works like a password that your code uses to log the bot into Discord's API. Inviting the bot to a server is a separate process that uses an OAuth2 invite link. So the correct method is a combination of both. Use the token in your code and use an OAuth2 link to invite the bot. Let's start by creating the bot and getting the token. Head to the Discord developer portal and create a new application. Once it's created, open it, go to the bot section, and add a bot to the application. You'll see a button to copy the token. Keep this token secret. Treat it like a password because anyone with it can control your bot. If it ever leaks, regenerate it right away in the portal. Next, use that token in your code. Open your bot project in Node.js or Python and paste the token into your bot's login call, for example, where your code says to run or log in the bot. Then start your bot program. If the token is correct and your code is set up properly, your bot will log into Discord's API and come online. That token is only for authentication in code. It does not invite the bot to any server. Now generate the invite link, which is required to add the bot to a server. In the same application, go to OAuth2 and open the URL generator. Under Scopes, check Bot and Applications.commands if your bot has /commands. Then choose the specific permissions your bot needs, such as the ability to send messages. Only select what's necessary for your bot's features to keep things secure. The portal will generate a URL based on those scopes and permissions. Copy that URL. This is the invite link you will use to authorize the bot into a server where you have permission to add integrations. That's the full flow. The token logs your bot into Discord's API through your code, and the OAuth2 invite link authorizes the bot to join a server. Keep your token private, run your bot code so it's online, and use the generated URL to invite it with the exact permissions it needs. Follow these steps and you'll have your bot connected and ready to work exactly where you want it.